ओके, नमस्ते बच्चों। मैं आपका हिंदी अध्यापक आज वर्णमाला के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। बहुत सारे बच्चों को पढ़ने लिखने में थोड़ा प्रोनाउंसिएशन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है। मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, दे आर हैविंग so many pronunciation problem while reading that. I think after this lesson you won't be having any problem there. After this lesson you won't be having any problem there, so just you have to listen carefully the lesson, then you won't be having any problems there. Okay, so now here you see there varnamala. Varnamala, how in English alphabets will be there now? How in English alphabets will be there? 26 letters are there in English, correct? So like this, here we have varnamala. Varnamala is nothing but varna. Varna means what? Letter, the smallest letter in Hindi, the smallest letter in Hindi. And mala means what? Garland. Mala means what? Garland. Like flowers we are arranging in a thread there and making it garland there for puja, we can take it to the temple. So this is nothing but mala. Means mala means what? Which flowers are there arranged in one thread in a correct order, that is called mala. That is called mala. Okay, and varna means what? The smallest letter, the smallest letter in Hindi which we cannot divide again, which we cannot separate again. For example, suppose from this one letter I am taking there, k halant plus a is equal to k. Okay, so this is the smallest one. This is the smallest one. Here vowels is not there. Vowels is not there in this letter. In Tamil also like this, your k is there. Here ik will be there, means what? In this letter, what is not there? Vowels is not there. So this is the smallest one. These letters are called varna. Okay, so varnamala means what now? Which letters, which letters arranged in a correct order, arranged in a correct order, that is called varnamala. Mala means what? Here when we are arranging the flowers there in correct order in thread, that is called mala there. So varnamala means varno ki mala, the garland of letters, where the letters we have to arrange there in correct order, that is called varnamala. Okay, so varnamala divided into three parts. Varnamala divided into three parts. One is there swar. Swar means what? Walls. Swar means what? Walls. And second one is there ayogvaha. Ayogvaha. Second one is there ayogvaha, and third one is there vyanjan. Third one is there vyanjan. So step by step we have to take. Swar means what? Vowels there. Vowels. Swar means what? Vowels. In English how? A, E, I, O, U. In English also A, E, I, O, U. These five vowels are there, and remaining letters are consonants. The remaining letters are consonants. So like that in Hindi also, these A, A, E, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au. Up to here 11 letters are there. Up to here 11 letters are there. These are the swar, vowels. How in English 5 vowels are there, like that in Hindi 11 are there. See the pronunciation you see there, my mouth you can see there. Oh, it's not too much open there. Oh, then second one, ah, mouth is open there and eyes expressions are up. Then third one again like this only, E, then E, then U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Aha. So there are 11 vowels are there. There are 11 vowels are there. Here 13 I have written there, but this and aha is there. These two letters are not vowels. These two letters are not vowels. What is it mean? Ayogvaha. These two letters are not only the vowels and even consonants also. Vyanjan means consonants, means these two letters are there. These are not vowels also and even consonant also. So what is swar? What is vowels? When we are pronouncing these letters, when we are pronouncing these vowels, so freely, without touching anywhere, freely, which letters can be pronounced easily, जो अक्षर बहुत ही सरलता से प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है, उच्चारण किया जाता है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? स्वर कहते हैं. एंड व्यंजन, व्हाट इज देयर? व्यंजन, which letters we are helping with the help of vowels, with the help of vowels. When we are pronouncing these all letters there, we are taking help of vowels there. That's why it is called vyanjan there. Okay, so pronunciation you understood there. Once more I am pronouncing this. Just see the face expressions. Oh, nothing. Eyes expressions are not there, and even my mouth is open a little only. Oh, ah. Eyes are up, mouth is open. Then again, E. E. U. U. Then Re. A. I. O. Au. Aha. See the pronunciation, correct? So here, what is there? I is there. How to pronounce that? Here also types of vowels are there. Small vowels are there and big vowels are there. Small vowels and long vowels. Now you see there, small vowels I am circling with the pink chalk. E, U, and Re. These are the small vowels. Small vowels. लघु स्वर है. और ये बाकी के जो है मीन्स लघु, वाई इट इज देयर? फॉर प्रोनाउंसिंग दिस लेटर इट इज टेकिंग ओनली 1 सेकेंड देयर. ई, उ, री, only 1 second it is pronouncing for these letters. That's why it is called small vowels. Now long vowels, what is there here? A, E, U. Correct? A, I, O, Au, Aha. These are the long vowels there. Means suppose, for example, the small vowels are taking 1 second to pronounce there. So the long vowel should take double than small vowels. If the small vowels are taking 1 second, 1 second is taking there. So these long vowels are there. It should take double times than these small vowels there. Correct? Okay. Now you see there, matrai. Matrai means what? Symbols. Matrai means what? Symbols. When we will understand how to use these symbols only, then only we can write Barakhadi and understand and how to write and read there. Let us see there. There is no symbol. There is no symbol for A. Why? What is the reason there? Because in this all the consonants, when we are pronouncing there, you see there, K, A sound is coming here. Correct? K, A sound came there, K, A, K, A, G, A. So already in these single letters, what is there? A sound is there. That's why there is no separate symbol for this A. There is no separate symbol for this vowels. Okay, now you can see there A. E ki matra is there. E ki matra, U ki matra, U ki matra, Ri ki matra, A ki matra, I ki matra, O ki matra, Au ki matra, Am ki matra, Aha ki matra. These are the symbols there. Now, how to use it? When we are making words there, how to use it? Now you see there, always this A symbol is there. Now A symbol is there. Always right side of the letter. Always right side of the letter we have to use there. For example, I will tell you here. How the sides? This is for understanding only. Okay, this is for understanding only. Now you can see there one letter I have written here k. Okay, so this is upside, right side of the letter, left side of the letter, and down side of the letter there. Suppose now this matra is the right side of the letter. So a symbol is there, k plus a ki matra, right side. This is my right hand. This is my right hand. The same matra I am adding here, ka. It became ka. Correct? So that's why I have given here r right side of the letter. Suppose this matra I have to use there, then L is there, left side of the letter. And where is my left hand? Here is there. So left side, letter is here. So left side, the same to same matra, see there, I am using here E ki matra, ki. Correct? Likewise, these all matras we have to use there. This right side of the letter, down side of the letter. Now downside how to use there? Now you see there here. This letter is there downside here, where straight line is there, and almost all letters having straight line there except this t, t, d, d, and yes, t, t, d, d. So you can touch and write these symbols there, but remaining all you can see there here. Standing line is there. There you have to write. Now you can see there here. U ki matra is there. Here is the standing line. So U ki matra. It became k plus U ku. So likewise we can write the barakhadi. Suppose you have to write the barakhadi. There are two types of techniques. There are two types of techniques how to write a barakhadi there. Now you see there, I am writing here. Suppose this one letter I am taking there, k, ka, ki, correct? Only one letter 13 times you have to write there. For example, see there here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 12, 13, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 letters are there. So this one letter is there, no, k is there. If you will write accordingly, so what will happen there? Your barakhadi will be ready there. Your barakhadi will be ready. So I am writing here now. You can see there. Here nothing is there means that same letter you can write there. K. Nothing is there means same letter you can write there. This is the right side of the letter, this symbol. So letter value will come there. Left side of the letter will come there. Letter. So it became ka. Here left side is there. So your letter will be right side. Ki. Correct? This is right side is there. So here what will come there? Left side will come there. Your letter ki. Here downside is there means your letter will be like this. K. 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 And K. That's all. Only K, K I have written there. But see, you can see the barakhadi. Correct? Because already symbols are given there. Only consonant you used here, then only you can read there. Now you see there, k, ka, ki, ku, kri, k, ri, kri, k, e, ke, k, I, kai, k, o, ko, k, au, kau, k, kam, k, aha, kaha. Correct? This is one type of technique how to write the barakhadi. Another one, what is there? The same technique is there now. See, these matras are there now. You can erase these matras. Okay, 13 times. 13 times you can write there k, a letter which you are going to write a barakhadi there. Where you are going to write a barakhadi there. So 13 times you can write there. Barakhadi, what is there? 12 times letters. Barah means what? 12. And khadi means what? The style of writing Hindi script. Okay. So now you see there, I erased there. That one technique we got it there now. Another technique, how will? Now only matra you can add it there. Okay. See there here. Right side of the letter matra. Left side of the letter. Right side of the letter. This is downside of the letter, downside of the letter, downside, upside of the letter. Here, O ki matra, au ki matra, am ki matra, and aha ki matra. So you can add the symbol. First you have to write the letters 13 times, add symbols. Otherwise the symbols you can write first there, and according to this, if you will write the letter, what will happen there, you will get the 12 khadi. 12 means what? 12. 12 khadi means what? Here you can see there 12 khadi. 12 khadi. 12 means what? 12. 12 means what? 12. And khadi means what? The style of writing, script. But nowadays this letter came, letter came extra. That's why it became 13 khadi now. That's why it became 13 khadi. But still now, after adding this also, we are using it 12 khadi. So you might have understand how to write the 12 khadi. We have seen there walls, its pronunciation, and how to write the 12 khadi. Likewise, any letter you can take it from this letter and write a 12 khadi there. So hereafter you won't be having any doubts there. Only you have to just concentrate here. This t-t-d-d-n is there. This t-t-d-d-n is there. For this letter, this re symbol is not there. This re symbol is there. For this letter, not there, because it has a separate different letter is there. Different, for example, see there, if in k, re ki matra, when you are writing there k and re, how c, like c is there. So here you are writing there, but this t is there now. T, d, and n is there. Okay. So for this letter, re symbol is not there, but that r, types of r is there now. When r pronunciation will come there. So like ulta v, opposite v is there now. This v, you can make it there ulta, like this. So for example, for this letter, truck will come there. Truck, our lorry is there, truck. Correct? Here for this letter, drum will come there. Correct? So like this, that's why these are the round letter. That's why the re symbol we can use in a different way. R. This r is there now. There I have to write there. Okay. So this is r symbol. Truck. Truck. So these are out there. That's why this re symbol we cannot use it here. Okay. So now you can see there. Here pronunciation part you can see there now. Pronunciation part I will teach you how to pronounce this. How to pronounce this consonants. So there is a technique there. There is a technique how to pronounce there. How to find out there which one is pressure one, where we have to pressure more, and simply how to pronounce there. Now see there. This is k ch t t p. K ch t t p is there. See my mouth there. K ch t t p. See now when you are pronouncing there, simple. It won't shake there. See, k ch t t p. It is not shaking there. But this second line is there now. K ch t t p. So it should shake there. Now you can see there. Here, k ch t t f. See there how it is checking there. So when you are pronouncing there, that time when first line you are pronouncing there in a simple way, k ch t t p, there is no checking there. But when the second line you are pronouncing there, see there now, k ch t t f. Likewise this third line also. Now you can see there g z d d b. See, g z d d b. There is no movements in this paper there. But this next line again pressure is there. Now you can see there here g z d d b. See there, it is checking there. It is checking there. So what is there? This first line is alpa pran. It is called alpa pran. Means simply we can pronounce there. Second one is there mahapran. Here you see there alpa pran and mahapran. Mahapran. So which lines we are pronouncing easily there, that is called Alpa Pran, means easily without pressure. Nothing will happen there when we are pronouncing these letters there. But when the second line will pronounce there Mahapran, here pressure should come there. Kh, gh, p, dh. Pressure should come there and this should be shaking there. This paper will shake it there. Again third line simple Alpa Pran. Correct? This first line and third line, what is there? Alpa Pran is there. Then second line and fourth line is there. Mahapran is there, where we have to force this. For example, you can see there how to pronounce this. Gh, jh, dh, dh, bh. Oh, you cannot see this. Okay, now you can see here. Gh, jh, dh, dh, bh. So paper is moving there, but the same is there. K, ch, t, t, p. You can see there here. K, ch, t, t, p. So these are the pronunciation. उच्चारण जब हम लेते हैं इसके जैसे करना है हमें. Okay, so you should not get confused which letter we have to pressurely we have to pronounce there and which one easily you have to. See here, first and third line easily you have to take it there, and second and fourth line little pressure, with pressure you have to pronounce there. Okay, so now this pronunciation I told you now how to pronounce this. Okay, now here you see there Panchamakshar. We are going to learn about now Panchamakshar. 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 Panchamakshar means what? Here nothing but Pancha means 5. Pancha means 5 and Akshar means letters. Akshar means letter. Fifth one letter. Fifth one letter. Now you see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this I circled already. This I have circled there. These letters, fifth one letters are called Panchamakshar. Panchamakshar means fifth one letter. Now see there, when dot is coming there, no, when you are writing there, Anuswar, this is coming there, no. It's a magical word there. When you are separating this now, so you have to be careful. How? I will tell you now. See there here. The easiest way I will tell you. Now you can see here this Chanda and Champa. Chanda and Champa. If spelling you will write here Chanda, C-H-A-N-D-A, and Champa you will write there C-H-A-M-P-A. Now the magic what is there, you see there. In this letter also Ch up dot is there, and here also Ch is there. But for this dot, we have written here English letter Na sound is coming there, and for the same letter here Ma is there. So what is the difference of Panchamakshar? I will tell you. When you are finding out, see there now, this the letter is there. Wherever this dot will be there on that letter you can leave there. Next letter in which line is there? Okay, in which line? The now you can see there here is there. The is here, correct? So which is the last letter Panchamakshar? Na is there, and Na indicated N. That's why here what came there? Chanda came there. So when you will separate here now, Cha, Halant, A, Na, The, and A. Chanda will come there. Here Na came there. The same to same. Now see there. Here Cha up dot is there, but next letter we have to find out in this consonant. Okay, where is Pa? Now see there, Pa is here now. Pa is here. The last letter is M, Ma, and it indicates for M. That's why see there C-H-A-M-P-A, and its separation also you can see there. Cha, Halan plus A, Ma, Pa, and A. Champa. So when like the same word is there, you should not get afraid. Correct. When you are separating वर्ण विच्छेद जब करते हो आप लोग, when you are doing the Varna Vichhed, that time you have to see this fifth one letter. Then only your Varna Vichhed will be correct there. Now you have seen there on the same ch, here dot is there, but here no came there, and here same ch is there, but here what came there? Ma came there. Correct? So according to that only you have to separate the letters. That's why the magic of Panchamakshar we have to learn there. So these all letters I will tell you now how to separate these. All Panchamakshars are there. See there, for this line, Kangha is there. Kanga is there. Second line, Patang is there. Or Chanchal. Chanchala. Then here what is there? Thanda. Thanda is there. Here is there. Now just we have seen there Chanda and Champa. So see there, when you are separating this now, according this Panchamakshar only your Varna Vichhed will be, their separation will be there. So see, Kanga you see there, Ka line, Ka is there, Gha. Where is Gha? First line. So when you are separating this Na should come there while separating. Now you see there here, Ka, Halan plus A. Single letter will be there means A will come there because this all single letters don't have any separate symbol. Separate matra nahi hai. Correct? So, Kangha. Kang. Now no sound is coming there. So this Panchamakshar will come there. Correct? Kangha. Because Gha is in Ka line. Ka varga line there. So, Gha. The same letter Gha, Halan plus A. This A ki matra is there. So A ki matra where is there? Here A is there. This matra, that's why A came here. So Kangha. In Kanga, see dot is here. So here this Na came there. But another letter you can see there now. Chanchal you can see there. Ch, Na. Now see there. Ch is there now. Where is Ch? Here is there. Which is the last letter? This Na is there. Okay. So here this will come there. Chan. Then again Cha, A, La, and A. Chanchal. All single letters are there. That's why A came there. Okay. Now Thanda you can see there here. Thanda. Da line you can see there. Where is Da? Here is there. Da. Which is the Na? Here. This Na is there. Now you can see there. Tha, Halan plus A, Than. Which this Na came there. You can write like this. Halant you can keep there, or only this you can keep it here. So that is your wish there. Because in which letter we are keeping this mark, Halant mark, that means what? In this letter vowels is not there. In this letter vowels is not there. So here you can see there, keep here Na, Than, Da. A ki matra is there. This is A ki matra. That's why A came is here. Champa and Chanda just now we saw there. The where is there? Here is there. Which Na is there? This. So what will be there? Ch, A, Na, Da. Chanda is there. This Na came there, and here Champa is there. Ch, A, Ma, Pa, and A. Now you can see there. In all the words, this dot is there. Anuswar is there. All the words. See there. Examples. Panchamakshar example when you are seeing this now. So, Champa, Chanda, Thanda, Chanchal, and Kanga. But this separation word you can see there. According to the Panchamakshar, it came there. Here this Na came there. Here this Na came there. Here Na came there. Here Na came. And here came Ma. So, when you are separating there, wherever this dot will be there, on which letter this dot will be there, the next letter you have to find out in the consonants, and which is the Panchamakshar, fifth one letter. According to that only you have to separate the Varna Vichhed, separation. When word you are separating, this Kanga is equal to this. Okay. Chanchal is equal to this. So according to Panchamakshar only you have to separate the letters. Okay. So This remaining part will be there in the next class. We can see there. And today we will stop this lesson.